Hello there, it's Benga from techwithgbenga.com. In this short tutorial, I'll be discussing on how to create a Thread account. In case of you're hearing about Thread for the first time, Thread is an app developed by Instagram or Meta, and it's like a direct competitor to Twitter. And in this short tutorial, I'll be discussing on how to create the account. So if you want to create a Thread account, all you have to do is either go to iOS store or you go to your Android store. Then you click on, then you search the name of the app, which is Thread. This is Thread, an Instagram app. You click on it. Then you just click to install it. I've already installed it, so I won't be doing that. So all I need to do is go to the app on my phone. I click on Thread. Then it opens. Then I will select my account. If you have multiple accounts on your phone, you can select the account you want to use. So let me switch account to another account. Then it loads. Then it will ask you to either set your bio from default or you just import directly from Instagram. So I'll just click on import from Instagram. So it imports all the data for me. Then I'll click on next. Then it will ask you if you want the profile to be private or public. So I'll be choosing public because I want the profile to be public. I'll click on next. Then it will ask you to follow all the users you followed on Instagram. You can either choose to follow them or just click on next to skip. But I want to follow all the whole followers I am following on Instagram. So I'll just click on follow all. Then I'll read the features and I'll read the information about Thread. Then I'll just click on join Thread. So here is the Thread account. So looking at Thread alone, you almost see that it's like it looks like exactly like Instagram, but created by Meta this time. So you can either go here, then edit your profile more and stuff like that. So as for this tutorial, that will be all. And if you like videos like this, you can like, share, and comment below.